Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Luca went on vacation. I don't know even what I'm doing anymore. I don't know how to film YouTube videos. Luke, ironically enough, he left me in possession of his Mercedes-Benz. Luca, you know better than this. The last time this happened, the last time Burlacker left his Mustang with me, we put Lambo doors on it. You know better, Luke. What were you thinking, bro? What were you thinking? I'm just kidding. I wish we would have done that, but we have Luke's Mercedes-Benz for the next 48 hours. Tough luck, dude. Now, most of you guys know Luke is my cameraman who doesn't actually know how to hold a camera. I'm just kidding. It's not even in his job description. It's just the inside joke that never gets old. Luke does so much for this channel. Lots of times we'll be filming for 12 to 14 hours. We won't have any time to eat whatsoever. And then Luke will race home and edit the videos sometimes till 2, 3, 4 a.m. Luke is such a good dude. He's such a great father. I appreciate you, Luke, so much. And the fans appreciate you so much as well. But the Mercedes-Benz, it just doesn't sound very good. You know what I'm saying? We gotta hook a homie up. This is so sketchy. Right, hold on. I'm about to lose my balance. I should have thought about this. I do not want to drop this on the 458 or the baby Countach. Come on. This is a 150 40th anniversary Murcielago, and I am precariously carrying a massive box right next to it. Okay, we're good. This is so pathetic right now. This is why we need Luke for his muscles. But all the way from Frequency Intelligent, that's right, baby. Luke, you gotta join the FI Exhaust family. The Mercedes is gonna be completely transformed. There's just nothing quite like opening up an FI exhaust. The best mods I've ever... That hit Luke's Mercedes. Luke, if you're watching today's video, it's just foam, okay? It's just sealed air. That's all it is, okay? It's fine. This system right here is so sick. Like, look at this thing. Like, all the craftsmanship, the fabrication work that goes into this thing, that baby's gonna sound so good. Now, I don't want to offend any of the Mercedes engineers who are definitely 100% watching today's video. This Mercedes, it purrs like a little baby kitten. It sounds like a vacuum cleaner. It sounds pathetic. Just listen in. It is honestly atrocious. Now, Luca, I mean, we love you. We support you. You've had this car for so long. How does it sound this bad? The car is indeed on. Like, it is turned on. We're gonna let it warm up. Okay, it's warmed up. Do you guys hear that? I don't think you guys can hear it. It's so bad. That's full beats right there. That's it. And he calls himself the AMG boy. Okay, that's enough. Sorry. Luke, you probably should cut that out. Nope. I don't know what's going on in Utah today. It is so humid right now. Luke, if you're watching today's video, you might want to get an interior detail because I am sweating absolutely everywhere. So, we got the exhaust cradle like a baby. Okay, how does this thing work? All right, we're not gonna crash, okay? We know exactly what we're doing. Little acceleration, let's go, baby. It's not bad. It's actually pretty bad. It's pretty pathetic. This car is fast. This is an amazing car. It just sounds awful. And Luke, you've had this for 18 months, bro. 18 months. Now, if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm very mechanically inclined, right? I know exactly what I'm doing. If you can't sense the sarcasm, it's because I'm an idiot. But there's no better time to learn than on Luke's car, right? Okay, so step one, we gotta lift it up. Trust me, guys, I know exactly what I'm doing. Come on, baby, come on. I'm a genius. Self-proclaimed genius. Now the exhaust is stuck and I don't have anyone help. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I got this. I can figure this out. This is for Luke, remember? This is for Luke. Come on, baby, come on. I got this. That's right, baby. That's right. Let's go. Let's go! Luca, this is for you, bud. Oh. You see, fellas, they call us a mid-pipe because it's in the middle. This is easy. I can do this all day long, baby. Now, not only did Luca leave his Mercedes-Benz in my possession, he also left his camera and his gimbal. How hard could it be, right? It's gonna be easy. This is the best B-roll you've ever seen. From yours truly. good morning. It's a new day. The FI exhaust has been fully installed on Luke's Mercedes. So Luke lands at the airport in 45 minutes. We're gonna go pick him up, guys. This car sounds absolutely ridiculous. Now, I gotta shout out Casey Draper for the help on the exhaust install. Let's be honest, you guys know, I couldn't have done it without him. Now, for those of you who don't know Luke, he is the most meticulous car owner I have ever met in my entire life, so he might love it. There's also an outside chance that he might be kind of sort of upset, you know what I'm saying? Especially when he finds out that I installed it. Casey helped Luke, okay? Casey's a man. Now, if you guys are new to FI exhaust, listen. So good. So my 458 has FI. Both my Aventers have FI. My GTR has FI. Round two, baby. Round two. Let's go. Let's go. It's so good. This car is so good. Oh goodness, Luke is gonna love it. There's just something about picking up somebody at the airport in a Ferrari. So I just texted Luke. He's at 6C, so just up here to the right. Luca. Oh, there we go, there he is. I missed that guy. Oh, Luke, it's good to have you back. He looks refreshed and relaxed. What's up, bro? Okay. I missed you.
I thought you were bringing the TRX. This is sick.
He just has no idea. Oh, so innocent. Luca. The audience has just missed you so much. Where have you been?
You filming without me?
Yeah, I know. It's been very weird. Just me and the audience one-on-one. Okay. Off camera, Luke keeps asking me, what are we filming? Don't worry about it, bro. You think the grind stops? You think the hustle stops because you go sit on a beach for 4 days? No. I've been hustling, I've been working hard.
You're up to something.
I am no way. Well, obviously, yeah, I'm filming a YouTube video. A good video.
100%. Yes, you are.
Now we have to make a quick pit stop here at the Lambo dealer because I just got to point out this McLaren 12C. I don't know if you know this, Luke, but the doors go up. On a 12C, the doors go up. I know how much you like that. I know how much you like that. The doors go up, bro.
Okay, but
the doors go up.
Homie,
isn't that cool?
Homie, did you?
The doors go up, okay? I don't know why, I just wanted you, I don't know if you knew that. I am being interrogated right now. I am innocent. I didn't do anything.
Okay.
I didn't do anything.
That's why you're filming. That's why you picked me up from the airport in a Ferrari.
Don't call me out like that. I love you. I'd never do you dirty like that.
Dude, have you seen how Nick's doors close? They don't close right.
Yes, I have. Poor Nick. I'm sorry, Nick. It's fine. Okay, I know you. Don't worry about it.
Who installed them?
Of course I did.
You did?
No, I can't install them. No, you're gonna ruin the moment.
First of all, you probably jacked up my doors.
No, I didn't.
Number two, how long did
No. And as I mentioned, I'm taking meticulous care of your Mercedes. Look, I gave it the garage spot. Look at it, looking so smug right now. You're fine, it's fine.
What did you do?
I didn't do anything. I just washed and waxed it.
Is it reversible?
Yeah. Wait, no. Yes. No, yes. You have to get out of the car. No, you have to get out of the car. It's fine. You big baby. Here's the key to AMG boy. But before you see what I did, okay, I just want to say some really nice things about you. Luke, we love you. You're an amazing addition to the channel.
Shut your face.
You're an amazing addition to the channel. Just wait. You're going to love it. Trust me. You're gonna love it, okay? It's totally fine, okay? I did all the modifications myself. Just open the door, okay? It's not a big deal, okay? They look amazing. You're gonna love them. You're gonna love the doors.
Oh, okay. Not Lambo doors.
I would never do you dirty like that. Who do you think I am? It's not like I have a history of doing that. Nick, I'm very, very sorry. But like I mentioned, anyways. Yeah, so just get in the car. You'll be fine. What are you doing?
I think I know what you're up to.
No. Oh, you see?
Yep. What is that? You, is that a 5?
Of course, frequency intelligence, baby. We're back, baby. Welcome to the family. Wow. She sounds amazing. So it's not. Hey, don't. Why did you tickle me like that? That's got to be cut out of the video. I just got tickled on the channel. All right, so it's not quite a true cold starter, but it sounds amazing. Not bad, eh?
Way lower.
Not a Dyson no more. Not a baby kitten.
Is that open or closed?
I think that's open. That should be open, yeah. Let's hear a couple baby reps. That's so much better. All right, so we're gonna close the valves real quick. So it has a full Valvetronic system. Such a difference. Couple more revs. See what I mean? That's such a big difference. Okay, you're never gonna have the valves closed. You'll always have to have them open. Wait for it. That is so good. It's a proper AMG. Let's go. I'm telling you guys, like frequency intelligence, they make it sound so good. Bro, You're an actual AMG boy.
Thank you, by the way.
You're welcome, of course, of course. That's so good. It's so crazy what a difference an exhaust can make. This car's been completely transformed. You guys know earlier on in today's video, it sounded like absolute trash, absolute garbage. Oh my goodness, bro. That's so good.
Sounds sick.
What? Now, quick disclaimer, all tickets are your fault. They're your responsibility. Let's go, let's go. That's so much better. Wow. He just keeps going back and forth all day long. That car has been completely transformed. Luca's gonna end up going to jail. The car's gonna be impounded, and I'm gonna have to pick him up when it's time for him to come to work. Huh.
It sounds good.
It sounds so good. You're gonna get in so much trouble. All right. Before you burn my leg hair, jeez, unbelievable. Okay, we gotta get lost. This thing is crazy. Seatbelt, 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 seatbelt. It's locked. Okay, we're good. Wow, the evil laugh. That's when you know Luke's happy.
This thing is sick. I freaking love it.
Now, I already specifically told Luke he cannot get emotional on camera, okay? You can't cry on camera. I know you want to give me a big hug. I mean, if you want to hug me, you can. Like, I'm okay with
I'm
that.
good. I'm just pumped it's not the Lambo doors.
If today's video gets 425 likes, we're gonna put Lambo doors on Luke's Mercedes. Go away! I'm having a one-on-one with the audience. Be sure to smash that like button. Today's video, yep, it's over. I just know the audience has to know. What have you been up to? How was your vacation?
Went to California. It was a great time. How was your vacation?
My vacation? I've just been waiting for you to get home. I've just been washing and waxing your car every single day, taking the utmost care of it. I love your Mercedes. Such a nice car. Your Mercedes is such a beautiful car.